The problem with the missing grid in regard to Seaborn, actually it's not missing. What they did is they changed the code where we have to explicitly invoke it in order to get that grid. What that means is, if your plot is looking a little sad there, this little code right here, sns.set, has to be added. So now when we hit Control Enter, and you should notice that little plot right there will now have those grid lines looking much nicer. And if you want to add a little bit of color to it, for example, like this, if you want to get a little fancier with using more explicit sns.set pretexts, like poster right here, you run the code again, and a joint plot now should have that grid all across the line. So basically that's what it is. You have to actually add the code sns.set. Ralph signing off. Hope this helps, and catch you all a little bit later. Bye.